Hello YouTube. Today I am going to show you how can you easily share your devices and printing wirelessly. I found this device at my local computer shop, and this device is called as Belkin Share N300 Wireless N router. The device is quite old and comes in handy if you want to share your devices and printers across your network. This device cost me around 20 bucks and it is new in condition. The device supports USB 2.0 devices. Let me show you what's included in the package. Please hold on. The device came up with the power adapter. This is standard AC adapter, and Ethernet cable, drivers CD, software CD. This is security key label, which includes SSID and password, and standard wireless router. You need to keep the security key label in safe place or stick it underneath the router. There are 5 RJ45 ports, including the one that will be used for internet, one USB 2.0 port, and a port for a power adapter. And of course there is a WPS button as well. This is WPS button. Let's get started by setting up the device. I will show you the step-by-step procedure of setting it up. First, place the router near your printer or any other USB device that you want to share, and then connect the AC adapter to the device and the power outlet. Then connect the USB cable of the sharing device into the USB port to the back of the router. That's all. Isn't that easy? Blinking amber light means that you are not connected to the internet, but if you want to use this device as an internet access point, then connect the Ethernet cable from your main internet router to the yellow RJ45 port. Then you will be able to access the internet as well. This is the main Ethernet cable that is coming from my router. Let me show you by connecting cable. There you go. Now light turns into green means you are connected to the internet. This device is usually built for Windows 7 and below operating systems, but there is a workaround to make it functional on Windows 10 or 11, and I will show it in this video as well. Before get started, make sure you have drivers installed of your devices that you want to share, otherwise it will ask you to install drivers. Optical drives are obsolete now and most of the computer systems doesn't have it. I will share the link of the device software in the description as well for your ease. Now let's set up the device software on computer to make it work properly. For installation, please follow the on-screen procedure. I'm about to get a printout of a test page. There you go. Now you can see I print a test page and it successfully prints it out remotely without bothering you to physically connect your computer to the printer. Ah man, this device is really cool. That's great. You can also share your USB 2.0 external hard drives. In fact, you can also share your USB keyboards and mouse to the network. I will also share the store link from where you can easily get this device. I hope you liked my tutorial. Please share it and also subscribe to my channel for more tech and gaming stuff. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.